Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we did open up higher from yesterday's inverse head and shoulder that I showed you guys that we just ran out of time. Oh god, what the hell is this lag? Okay, so the left shoulder, right head, right shoulder, and that gave us that insane buying in the morning, as well as the gap up, right? So two things, right? So I told you guys in yesterday's video, right, that we did set up the structure and we just ran out of time at the end of the day, right, to just have them move, or the market just didn't want to move, right? I don't know why, but it would have been better yesterday. But it's whatever. If you guys didn't hold overnight, that's fine as well. But that is something to take into consideration. If you see structure like that, it does give you probability for taking an overnight swing, right? And I did, and it did pay. I did exit early in the morning, and then we were kind of in this range as well today, and I'm gonna show you. But we basically bounced off right here, right? That was a teal right here. Same thing on the 5 minute, right? We bounced off the yellow, which is the teal over there, right? But so it's kind of messed up on there, but basically that. Then you have to notice the tapering yellows is right there. You can see that we basically did have some sort of resistance at the top of the tapering yellow, and that is something to pay attention to actually, because this can form a pretty good bear flag right here, right? We have built up that left shoulder liquidity, not possibly the head, right? And to see the head form, right, the left shoulder here, head right here, and then the right shoulder on the head as well right here, right? And that's gonna give us at least the close of the cup right here, right? And then the handle, right? Then basically reject off yellow right here as well as teal, then close the inverse cup right here, right? Then we should look for basically the right shoulder liquidity form right here, and then have the drop right here, and then finally drops right here, right? And easy way up means an easy way down. So next level of support would be around the 600 range, right? So if we do grab this right shoulder liquidity, we do have a pretty big way down, 2 to 3 point move, right? But that's about it for that. If we are from that head, and basically you can notice that because of the tapering yellow, right? So that's our leading indicator right now that the tapering is happening, right? So we just need to wait for some type of right shoulder on the head, right? You cannot be full short, right? You cannot have a short bias. We are still in this continuation buying, right? So as long as we're in this, we can be carried up, as well as if we open even higher, right? If we even open above yellow, right, we can have continuation for a bit, right? So we just need to build, we just either need to open higher, right here, or build the liquidity, basically chop right here, form an inverse head and shoulder off of teal, right, and then push up higher, right, and basically have the same structure right here, and continue up, right? But you do have to pay attention to the tapering orange at the top, as well as the yellow, right? So those are two important algos. But to even wait whether all this tapering, right, you can just wait for the better structure would be the liquidity grab right here, and then the push up, right? And that would be a better push up anyways, right? It could be a 1 point move to 1/2, right? So just look out for that. But if you're going long, don't rush it tomorrow morning, right? Have to take a little bit of patience. And again, if we are rejecting right here, wait for the right shoulder off of yellow right here, as well as the cup close right here, right? Up right now, I wanna make up right now. Okay, and then 5 minute, right? Same thing, right? You see the tapering, right? See the tapering. So again, it is setting itself up pretty nicely right here. If you do have that right shoulder right here, right? Right. So what's gonna happen is right shoulder head, right shoulder here, another right shoulder right here, then the right shoulder right here, right? And then hopefully we close the cup right here, right? So this 2-point move is the one we're looking for, and you need to wait for the rejection of the yellow right here, right? So yeah, but if you are headed down, it might be a hard way down, right? Because there is a lot of support, so you just want to wait for the confirmations, right? We can still, basically the market can still drop to grab the liquidity, right? Left shoulder, head, and some type of right shoulder right here, right? And then push up, right? So it all depends what the market wants to do, how deep the market wants to go, right? But now let me show you intraday as well, today's trades. So very important today that we were in this range, right? So you understand the resistance right here, right? As well as the support right here, right? And that is defined by the white right here, right? I use white right here as well, but I'll show you later. But so with the white, right, we totally bounced off of right here. And then we had that purple. Run with me. I want you to fly with me. I want you to fly. What the heck? My PC is bugging from all these lines. Goddamn. Maybe the lines are a problem. Okay. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then the close of the cup right here, right? The handle right here, right? And then the left shoulder, head, right shoulder off the handle, and you can see the volume coming in as well, right here. So then you notice that we are rejecting at the top right here, right? See it right here, we are tapering right here. So immediately what to look out for, right? Of course, shorting it, right? When you understand the low buying volume, as well as just no continuation, and then the tapering. So looking for the short right here, right? You can notice the yellow right here, right? So left shoulder, head right here, head right here, right shoulder right here. Then you could have taken this as a scalp, right? But you saw that again, the white, it was support, so we just bounced off, right? And you can also, we also activated a new algo here as well, the white right here, right? So you see every time we touched or we just kept bouncing off, right? We just couldn't build the necessary or the volume just didn't come in per se, right? But then finally we did build enough the liquidity off of an inverse. Sorry guys, so freaking laggy right now. I'm not recreating this video. So the left shoulder right here, right? Head right here, and then the right shoulder right here, right? And then off of purple, white, we had that incredible bounce right here, right? With the volume, you can see the volume did start to rise right here. And then the beautiful way up right here. And then off of white, we retested white. Basically that. And then had the last final push up, right? And also you could have entered right here as well, right? Off the white bounce, right? There's two whites, I'm sorry, but yeah, so that's it. The screen's very laggy, but that is pretty much it intraday. And you notice to call it a day at that, because again, you have to understand the tapering, and you have to understand that we are tapering at this top of yellow, right? So that's pretty much it. And that's pretty simple to understand if you understand the larger time frames. And then I was just having fun shorting Nvidia the rest of the day. But that's about it, honestly. Not much else. But again, just look out for these structures right here: left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, close the cup right here, and then you can take it off of right here, and then hopefully we can break through the teal that's here, right? And if we don't, we're gonna have to grab liquidity right here, and then you can take it off of here, the close of the cup right here, right? And then push all the way down, right? So, and to the next level of support at 600, right? So that's pretty much it right? So pretty easy to understand. There's a lot of ways to go down, right? And yeah, so that's pretty simple. But also understanding the ranges, right? So if you understood just the range that we were in till at least 130, right? You would have been pretty good in trading this because you understand where the support is, right? And you understand where the resistance is. So you can see the basically the chop at the top, right? And then you wait for the short. This is like basically scalping, right? So it's pretty easy. That's why I said yesterday's video, you have to be ready for this type of range. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow and have a great day.